My name is Dr. Tamar Ben-Yedidia. I am the Chief Scientist at BiondVax and responsible for the preclinical and clinical development of the company. I finished my PhD at the Weizmann Institute on immunology and specifically on virology and the influenza vaccine development, which was the first initiative of BiondVax. We studied it from preclinical to clinical development and conducted phase 1, phase 2, and the largest phase 3 ever conducted by an Israeli company with more than 12,000 participants, 105 sites, and in 7 different countries in Europe. The trial was concluded on time and on budget and allowed us to learn a lot about our capabilities and improve our abilities in manufacturing, in clinical development, in conducting clinical trials, and everything needed for the development of a drug product. Several months ago, BiondVax signed a license agreement with the Max Planck Institute and with the University of Göttingen in Germany. Both of them are well-renowned institutions. The Max Planck, they received 20 Nobel Prizes, 2 of them in the last year. And we collaborate with Professor Dirk Görlich and with Professor Matthias Doppelstein, who developed the concept of nanobodies or NanoAbs against different diseases. They immunize alpacas with the different antigens depending on the indication and the disease that we target. They select the most effective nanobodies, and then at BiondVax we manufacture it in a GMP conditions and test it in preclinical and in clinical trials to evaluate the efficacy and the safety of these nanobodies. The first target is the SARS-CoV-2, the virus causing the coronavirus, and in our pipeline there are additional targets for psoriasis, for asthma, for age macular degeneration, and possibly other diseases as well. Why NanoAbs? Because they are the bio-better of antibodies. They are more stable, thermostable also, which means that you don't have to keep the cold chain. They have a high affinity to their target, which means we'll probably be able to use a much lower dose, and they are likely safer and less costly. More than that, they are patient convenience because it will be, since they are that small, it will be possible to use them by inhalation, by other administration routes other than intravenous administration. By the end of this year, we plan to finalize the proof of concept for inhaled nanobodies for COVID-19. We also have our own manufacturing facility that is under GMP conditions, and we will produce these NanoAbs for toxicology study, and we plan to be next year in a phase 1/2A trial in human. We got the support of the regulator in Europe to perform this trial in patients, which means that we can skip the healthy volunteers step and go directly to show the efficacy on top of the safety of this therapy. In the meantime, our colleagues at the Max Planck Institute and at the University of Göttingen started working on the other indications, and during the next year we will also develop one of the other indications in our pipeline.